What's up guys? Andito po ako ngayon sa Huyohoy View Deck at papasok ulit ako dito at napuntahan ko na to dati at binalikan ko ulit ngayon. Okay, let's go. Dito na ako guys sa may Huyohoy, Tangub City. Dito pa lang guys, kita na yung ano, yung bridge, yung Pangil Bridge yun. Ayun guys, oh yan. Yan yung Pangil Bridge from Tangub City to Budlao del Norte. Yan yung bridge na malapit na matapos dito sa Mindanao. Ito marami rin akong kasabay dito. Andun sila. Ganda pa ng surroundings, oh. Sa bundok din, ganda pa, oh. Ayan, oh. Ganda. At syempre dito, oh yeah. Ang ganda! Woo! Napakaganda ng view! Woohoo! Astig! Oh yeah! At dito guys, naglalakad ako. Isang pagkakamali ko dito, magkikita tayo sa impyerno. Okay, joke lang. Oh yeah, sarap guys. Woo! Oh yeah. At yun eh, nakakawala ng problema, oh. Woo! To Purple House. Ano, Purple House. Kanindot naman nila more garden eh. I love Misamis. I love Misamis Occidental. Ganda na dito guys. Oh my goodness. Grabe naman. Masyado nang nindot dito guys. Oh my goodness. Napaka-atras ako ha. Napaka-sobrang nindot na kayo diri guys. Ganda na pasilitin mo guys. Wow. Wow. Ay, pamo na. Nakipa-shoutout ma'am. Nakipa-shoutout ma'am.
Morning sir. Welcome to Asensa Global Garden.
Okay, thank you. Kasi ma'am. Kaso ma'am. Mura magunaw sanctuary guys. Oh, orang sanctuary oy. Ay mura. Oh.
Tourist spot within Miss O.
Kani? Oo, tama nila.
Kana mga lugar sa Miss O.
Kani yung lugar sa Miss O kay una di day oh. Okay, so may pangalan ng mga ano, Bonifacio, Tangub, Clarin, Osamis, Tudela, Sinyakaban, Taman sa Parqueta, Don Victor, Seriano. Wow! Guys, dito tayo sa bilang side. Ang ganda. What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. Grabe. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had. Napakaganda ng view. OMG guys. Your problems going to vanish in here. Charot.
Wow, ang ganda guys.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question is in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I believe I always should have stayed.
Ganda guys, oh. Ganda na. Oh.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
A few moments later.
In a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one.
Alright guys, it's end of my vlog na. And I'm here in Hoyohoy View Deck, Tangub City. And this is Ronald Saluta, aka Lavits TV from Osami City. Peace out.
Alright.